So in this video, I'm going to take you through 3 steps that is going to make your mockup feels like a real brand. And to do this, we're going to be using this site right here, EasyMockup.app. All right, I'm going to leave the link down below so you can go ahead and start using this tool. So after years of being in the industry, I realized that building mockup can be time consuming. Plus, you need to know how to use the professional tools like Photoshop. This is where EasyMockup is going to be a game changer for your business. With EasyMockup, there is no design skill required, and you're going to get your results in seconds. So I want to walk you through what it actually does. So number one, you're going to upload a design into the software, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. Okay, so then number two, you're going to choose the print method. It's loaded with a bunch of print methods so you can actually get the real effect of what this will be like. And then you can just, number three, just send it with confidence, right? You're going to get a mockup that will be generated and you can send that with confidence. And the price to use EasyMockup is cheaper than actually a ruined shirt, right? So there's 2 models. You have the monthly model right here for just $5.99. This is for my, my crafters, right? So this is for like the crafters, the side hustlers, people who are probably not serious about their t-shirt business. And then you have the yearly model here for the folks who are serious. They're professionals. They're looking for an easier way to actually get approvals on those mockups. So that's where you would just lock in on the $50 and save yourself some money right here. And again, because I've been in the industry for a while, this tool was built for decorators just like you and myself. So we're going to sign in. You're going to choose your plan. All right, once you select your plan, now it's time for you to sign in. Sign in. This is EasyMockup.app. Again, the link will be down below. And what you want to do, as easy as just uploading a artwork and then choosing your garment style, right? You could be doing this on, we have adults right now and toddlers. And you can start doing this on tops for heavyweight tees. You got regular tees, you got polos, long sleeve, muscle tees, crew necks. And there's a list here for outerwear. So when you hit the drop down, outerwear, you have your zip ups, you have your hoodies, then you have some boxy hoodies, right? You got denim jackets in here. Every apparel style is probably built in here. And then you have your bottoms and your sets, right? Sweatpants, joggers, sweatsuits. Then you got your headwear. With headwear, you got trucker hats, you got regular hats, and then you got your beanies. Okay, so then over here, there's placements. This is where you can choose exactly where you want your design placed. And you have 2 different styles right now, 3D and flat mode. We're going to go through all of this. But on the top here now is where you want to choose the garment color. And now this section is a special effects section. You can see this is what makes this tool unique because you can now use embroidery, show 3D puff print. You can show puff embroidery, regular DTF print, all over print, Chanel, glitter, foil, silver foil, holographics. Man, there is so many here. And then there's going to be a mockup. So let me walk you through how you're going to do this. We're going to just upload your design. You also have the possibility to save your designs into the system. So I have some designs already saved in here. Just go ahead, upload your design, click on upload. And we're going to choose this design right here. So now my design is in. The next thing I need to do is choose my garment type. What type of garment am I going to put this on? I believe I want to choose an outerwear for this. Okay, so I'm going to do this on a hoodie. Okay, so I'll put this on a hoodie. And now for my placement, I'm going to choose one of these options right here. So because I'm going on a hoodie, I want to do, let's do a left chest. I'm going to do a left chest on this hoodie. And for the style that I'm looking for, I'm going to start with just doing a ghost 3D mannequin here. Let's scroll up and we're going to choose the color of our hoodie. I think I want this on we're going to do something that's a little bit off here. Maybe I'll do something like that. Okay, so you get your color. Now choose your style. First, I'm going to just choose the flat DTF here so you can see that. All right, so now it shows your mockup flat over here, what it will look like. That's actually a good combination. I like that on this color. So let's generate this by just clicking the generate button right here. You will see exactly what your mockup will be in seconds. So that took about 50 seconds, right? Like I say, in a matter of seconds. Now look at how professional and how amazing this mockup looks like. I did not have to move the design and distort the design in any way. It is right where it needs to be. Perfect placement every time. That thing looks brand new, like it's sitting on a catalog or something, right? And now let's say, so from here, you can download this image right onto your system. And at the bottom here, you can see some recent images, right? So if you click on the recent generation down here, there's a zoom effect just to get you a nice close up on what it looks like. That thing looks amazing. Like, that is good. Let me know what you think in the comments, right? So again, I'm gonna leave the link down below to use EasyMockup. So let's try this other one right here, flat lay. Let's go ahead and try the flat lay, and we're gonna generate this again. Okay, now this is what our flat lay will look like. You can see the same exact thing. Placement is great. It's laying nice and flat. Okay, so now let's try some other type of applications here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to give the all over print a try. So for the all over print, let's say I change. No, let's just do that. We're going to go with the all over print. I'm going to keep the same designs and everything. I want to do my mannequin, and we're going to generate. Okay, so in a matter of seconds now, you have yourself an all over print. Like, tell me that's not amazing, right? And how easy you can do this just by uploading the design, choosing a garment type, choosing the application, and you have yourself a awesome mock-up. Like, this thing right here would sell right now if I throw this in my store. And then we're going to download it. I'm actually going to download that one right there, and we will go ahead and try a different one. Let's change the garment up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to try to do a suit, right? So I already got the hoodie here. Let's assume we got the hoodie. Let's go ahead and try to find a bottom. So I'm going to find some joggers to match this. I'm going to leave everything the same. Okay, so we'll leave everything the same. I'm going to stick to my all over print, and we're just going to generate this. Now listen, man, if you don't see how easy and amazing this can be for you, save you time, like give you the confidence to actually show what it will look like. And then when you go to print, once you get this approved, you just print it exactly what it looks like, right? But something like this, you'll probably be sending it out to a manufacturer or something, right? But now we got the, it's crazy. You got the top, right? Here's your top. And here's your bottom. And we did this right here in a matter of seconds by only uploading the artwork itself. Now, let me know in the comments, right? Like, is this not a game changer for your business? But this is only for serious entrepreneurs, right? People that are really trying to build their apparel brand. So I don't want to make this video any longer here. So I'm going to leave the link down below so you can go ahead and give EasyMockup a try. Grab yourself one of the subscription models, and so you can give EasyMockup a shot for just $5 a month. Okay, so for just $5 a month, you can jump in and start creating using the full app, all right? But I recommend this $50 a year plan right here so you can have full access to everything and be able to download high res and get the first features that come out. All right, so I would say hit the link down below, check out EasyMockup.app, and share this video with someone else. Jump in the comments, let me know what you think about this tool right here. Again, EasyMockup.app. Share this with someone else.